Sophie. Today I am going to give feedback on my coding class. I really like my coding class. I learn a lot of new things and I do new projects. I really enjoy the class and the teacher is really nice. Thank you.
I am very grateful to have such a kind and helping teacher to teach coding. She always helps me in several ways, and I always have a great time in coding class due to this. I have learned many new things about coding like widening and narrowcasting, data types, and many more in Java. She also helps me to correct my mistakes if I go wrong somewhere. She also gives us questions to test our knowledge about the topic. I am once again very grateful to have such a teacher as my coding teacher.
I feel really good. I get to learn many things, and it's interesting to learn when I have great teachers like you. And even last time I had a good teacher. So I feel good, and my mind is going into what I'm learning. Everything is fine.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim Shadi. I'm one of the GEMA education students, and based on the lessons that I have attended so far, I really like them. I learned how to build self-confidence. In my opinion, uh, uh, it's the best institution after my school. I learned a lot of new knowledge that I've never heard of before. Last but not least, I would like to thank my teacher that teaches me in my classes. She really helped me when I was struggling. Join us at Gamma Education. Bye bye.